Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show you tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking on how to make a Roblox account. First of all, we'll have to come to the Roblox website. Once we're in the Roblox website, we're going to put in our birth date. It can be whatever you want it. I'm just going to select a random birth date and I'm just going to put in a username, which is going to be TechIdea37. After that, put in your password and select your gender. That is completely optional, you don't have to select it. And then you'll have to verify that you are a real human. And once that's done, okay, apparently we got one wrong. Nice. Every time you get one wrong, it's just gonna increase one by one, so make sure you don't get any wrong. Let's finish this up. And once that's done, our Roblox account should be done. From here, you can go to settings and let it load. From here, you can add an email address, and you can change your password and verify your age. And yeah, if you wanna, you can make it dark theme or light theme, depends on you. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If it helped you in one way or the other, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, subscribe and press that notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye.